Key battery replacement. So this may be a little tricky, but it's super easy. So here push this one and then open this one. You push this one and take this out. Then you can actually use this key to insert here and push a little bit here. If you put it, it cracks a little bit and it actually opens. It's very fairly simple. So you can see the battery is called CR2032. 2032, just take it out. You can get it in Walmart or any store, and just replace plus minus and then put it back, and that's it. You can see the keyless remote, battery low. So that's what you do, change the battery, and I hope this works. Battery, and then now if you go to the dashboard, there is a warning, and then the warning sign has out. So I don't have a warning sign other than the maintenance due. So this is good, it's working and looks good now. Thank you for watching it.